up? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is FaithO. Today's video is going to be another unboxing. Like I said in my previous video, I had 3 things coming from Vestiaire Collection. One was my Gucci wallet, and now I'm going to be opening up the purse that I bought and I love, and we're gonna do that together. Had a great experience the first time. You can always negotiate with the sellers and all that other stuff, but you do have to account for shipping and import taxes, like, you know, taxes essentially. But really good experience on Vestiaire Collection, so I'm excited. It came in this big old box. It took a while because we all know the post office was a complete shit show with because of the holidays. We're also in a pandemic, they're also underfunded, so it was just like it was a mess, but I still got it in a pretty good time frame in my humble opinion. So let's just get into it. They kind of wrap their boxes interesting. It starts off with you pulling this tab right here. They allow them some tissue paper. That's which is a little bit better than the confetti that you normally got. They gave me a really cute dust bag to store my bag in, which I love. So let's get this Vestiaire Collection. It has a little snap, which I like. The drawstring on your dust bag can be a little bit annoying, so I think this is kind of cool. I think a lot of places, a lot of designers should adapt this instead of the drawstring, personally. Like I said, it is like vintage and pre-owned stuff, so you have to take account for that. This is way bigger than what I thought it was going to be, but it's the Alexander Wang Rocco bag. Black, and it's the pebble. I don't know if you can see it. And then the studs. Ooh, all the studs are in here. I'm definitely going to get like leather cleaner, but look how great it is. Like, it's a sturdy ass bag. If you hear anyone talking, it's my sister. She's home for the holidays. Looks really good. I mean, like I said, it's pre-owned, so there is some like wear over here. Yeah, a lot of wear. I'm trying to think. No, it's Linda. Ah, okay. The little tag from Vestiaire letting you know that it's been authenticated. Here's their tag. I think this is really cute. Yep, Alexander Wang, Willow, Ignacio, December 30th, just all the information. And it was fair condition. Yeah, not bad. I really like it. I think it's gonna be such a cute bag. Or should I like wear it like this? It is seem a little bit heavy in terms of like content. Like it just feels like it got some weight to it, which lets me know it's a good fucking bag. That's a little Alexander Wang. The reason why I like them is because their stuff has been verified. You never have to second guess it. Like if you buy something off of eBay or Depop or even Poshmark or any of those apps, you're not really guaranteed authenticity. And yes, you can buy like get something authenticated with extra money, but like that price of authentication is already built in on the Vestiaire Collection, so I definitely recommend it. Absolutely love this. It's coming out black. Is it coming out black or brown to y'all? Because it said black, but I still like it. I want a lot of black bags, so look how cute it is. Oh, I'm obsessed. I love it. 5 out of 5. Gonna try. I think it's a 1. Anyway, I am in love with the bag. I'm gonna try. I was watching this one guy on YouTube, you can link him down below. He was also revamping his Alexander Wang. He also got it like pre-owned. So I'm gonna definitely watch him, see if I can like patch this up. This feels like an easy patch job, honestly. So like I'm gonna do that. But yeah, really excited. This is the Alexander Wang Rocco bag. it was the it bag personally. Yeah. See you on the flip side. Bye.